All right, so today the Fed came out and let us know that they are not changing the rates. We could be in this market mid to high sixes, maybe into the sevens for the main selling season, which is summer. The next 3 months is really what we're looking at. So, what does that mean for you as a buyer? I'm Andrew Gavin. I'm a licensed mortgage lender covering all of California, and I sell real estate in San Diego. If you're buying and you've been hoping that rates were going to drop, if the Fed had dropped rates today, we might see a small quarter of a percent, which would be great, but it's not a lot. We're not going to see fives. We're not going to see fours. We're not going to see anything like that. So if you were really itching to buy a house, but rates are high or prices are high, and you're hoping for a deal, in my opinion, I think this next 3 months is a great opportunity for you to negotiate a good, strong deal in your favor. Why? Because inventory here in San Diego is up to about 3.1, 3.2 months of houses available to purchase. That's the highest it's been in a long time. It doesn't mean that prices are going to drop across the board. We're not going to see homes that were $1 million now selling for $700,000. It doesn't work that way. But in the area that you're looking, at the type of home that you're looking for that meets your needs, there's going to be a seller with that type of house that might be willing to negotiate a very good deal. You're going to still get stuck with a high interest rate like everybody else. You're going to have to pay California housing prices if you want to buy a house here in San Diego or in California. But here's the thing that is most important. Right now, we are seeing the least amount of buyer interest, which translates to you being able to make a strong offer and still negotiate with the seller. The flip side would be if rates did drop even a half a point, maybe a whole point, we would see thousands of buyers come back to the market and try and secure a home, which would create bidding wars and create the perfect storm for sellers to raise prices, stop negotiating, and start demanding things from buyers. Although the good news isn't that rates dropped, I think it confirms there is still a strong opportunity for you to buy a property and get a very good deal. You need to work with a real estate agent that understands how to negotiate, how to look at a home, how to help you strategically work with fees, your lender, and what assets you have, and then figure out how to create the best offer that helps you get into a property with a seller credit, fees that you might have to pay being paid by the seller. There are options. And I think in this next 3 months, even though rates didn't drop, individual homes can be negotiated in the buyer's favor. If you have questions about buying a home here in San Diego, please reach out to me. If you need a purchase loan or a refinance anywhere in California, I'd love to talk to you and see if I can help you.